Thank you, Charlie. That was an awesome introduction, and I really appreciate it. Good evening, everyone. I'm thrilled to be here at the gala. I won 4 things, so I'm pretty excited about that. I'd like to start by expressing my deepest gratitude to the YMCA for this incredible award. It's truly an honor to stand before you tonight on behalf of Harpak Ulma and to be recognized by an organization as impactful as the YMCA. As Charlie said, Kevin Roach, our CEO, could not be here tonight, but I assure you that his commitment to the Old Colony Y as our focused charity has been unwavering. We're thrilled to be recognized by an organization as impactful as the YMCA. Our partnership with the Old Colony YMCA is something that we deeply cherish. Over the years, we've seen firsthand the dedication, commitment, and passion that the YMCA puts into its program and community initiatives. The Y is a lifeline for so many individuals and so many families, offering essential services. From daycare and after-school programs, youth sports leagues, and elderly care, food pantry support, the scope of the work is vast. And it's aimed at making the community stronger. They're truly everything to everyone, and that's a rare and beautiful thing in today's world. One of the things that I love most about the Y is they're constantly evolving, seeking new ways to serve the community better. I'd like to take a moment to acknowledge the incredible team at Harpak Ulma behind me. They're always behind me, in front of me, and around me. Their enthusiasm around the work we do with the YMCA has been nothing short of inspiring. Our annual holiday program, for example, is one of the most anticipated events of the year. It's really fun to see how excited everybody gets around buying gifts for the children. I'm particularly touched when people share their stories of how this initiative has touched them personally. Stories like this resonate with me because they remind me that giving back not only helps those in need, but it enriches our own lives, makes us closer to our families and also to our colleagues. And it's not just during the holidays. The backpack drives we participated in have also sparked that same energy, with everyone excited to see how many children we can help. People in the office joke about the number of backpacks we'll collect, but beneath the laughter and the joking, there's a real sense of pride and purpose. On a personal note, my connection to the YMCA extends outside the work we do through Harpak Ulma. For the past 9 years, I've had the privilege of serving as a tutor at several of the YMCA-run homeless shelters. This experience has been truly transformative for me. It's impossible to describe the impact the Y has had on these lives, providing not just shelter, but hope, stability, and a sense of home. The people that work here are compassionate, caring, and kind. This is the kind of support I love to be involved with and brings meaning to me personally. As we gather here tonight, it's important to remember why we're here. Celebrate and support the YMCA. This organization relies on the generosity of people like you and people like me to continue its life-changing work. While I may not be as comfortable as others asking you to open your wallets or take out your credit cards, I will ask you to raise your cards as we move into the next portion of our program. I do have one other note. If your organization does not have a charitable partner, I would encourage you to explore the possibilities of the YMCA. For us at Harpak Ulma, partnering with the YMCA has enriched our corporate culture. It's given our people a sense of purpose beyond the workplace, tied them together in new and meaningful ways, and aligned our company values with community involvement. In closing, I'd like to thank again the Old Colony YMCA for this incredible honor. We're really touched, and I'm very proud to accept it on behalf of all my colleagues here at Harpak Ulma. Let's keep working together to build stronger communities and make a lasting impact for generations to come. Thank you.
We'll get this award out for you here.